Anteaters are unique creatures that live in South America, and they have some pretty cool features that make them stand out from other animals. Did you know that anteaters are born with teeth? But don't worry, they lose them as they grow up. Anteaters also have a long tongue that can reach up to 2 feet long, which they use to eat their favorite food, ants. They have a special tool called a tongue tip that helps them scoop up ants and other insects. Anteaters are also known for their strong claws, which they use to dig into trees to find their favorite food. They have a long snout, which helps them sniff out ants, and they have a unique way of eating. They use their tongue to slurp up ants, and then they swallow them whole. Anteaters are a bit like us humans, they're always hungry. They eat around 35,000 ants a day, which is a lot. They're also nocturnal, which means they sleep during the day and are awake at night. Anteaters are a great example of how animals have adapted to their environment. They're unique creatures that have some pretty cool features that help them survive in the wild. So, there you have it, little ones. Anteaters are fascinating creatures that are worth learning more about. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.